never forget it.
She going for a paw or tail?
So how long until the royal pain recovers?
I don't know. I'm just an advisor.
Oh, apparently she's going for a front paw. Your foot is in the way.
Ring a ding ding, you're a king.
Ring a ding ding, you're a king.
I'm just the king's right-hand man. And you know, if the king's right-hand man becomes the man, then the king's left with no right.
Listen up, soldier. Until Ringtail returns, someone's got to step up. Take charge around here.
But
It's either you
Dog.
or
Molly.
Sam.
Molly.
I guess it's on me to
Come
look.
here, Molly.
But Julian will always be our one and only king. We can look at damn fine here, boy. When King Julian comes home, this place will be yeah, say it. We will be so right.
I dropped the camera. Oh, apparently. Oh, yeah, it's recording. Ow.
I would get up if I were you. Yeah, let go. Don't let her get you down. Yeah, you know what? I'm sitting here.
Well, I figured out what she wanted.
She wants you.
No, she wanted my hair. It's in a pigtail.
Yeah, she does that.
I forgot it was even in a pigtail. It's recording. Okay.
Maurice, supreme king of the Lemurs.
Get her, get her, get her, get her. Come on, Molly. This is fun. This is a fun time.
Funny, Maurice, the whole power mad act is on.
Your hair's out. I know, I took it out.
Ah, that Maurice. What a joker.
I don't know. That did not exactly sound like jollity.
Did you see his eyes, Skipper? Or else, he says. Or else what exactly?
All power lines run directly under the lemur habitat, right next to these water pipes. Theoretically...
This has shut down power and water to all the habitats. They can control everything now.
Wow. My theory was just about jury-rigging a giant makeshift hot tub. This is much worse.
You're going in. Rico, we don't have time to do this pretty.
Oh my gosh, that looked wrong. Can you have that?
Excelente. Power and water controls at 6 o'clock. We go on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm texting and I'm recording at the same time.
Hey, Maurice.
Don't you feel special?
Yes, I do.
Surrender to my supreme and the mighty power!
Ouch!
Yeah, that's confusing.
Wait, hide that. Hide it. Hide it. Hide it. Hide it. Hide it.
Skip. It means to give up or yield. Right. Here, I'll do it myself. I will force you to obey me.
You and what arm?
He can't find it. He's dumb.
That arm.
Me, bada, and bang.
Bada bing. That is a pretty bad pun. Bada bing. Be a girl, bad girl. Go, 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 go. Attack Melissa! Oh, your battery's almost dead.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
That's because I'm recording. See, that was fully charged when I started.
Bada bing. You're not gonna find it, you dumb dog. Wee. I'm bored.
We got away! Away!
Great eating that lag.
It sounds just like the one we heard the other night. It's just like...
That deranged ringtone.
By moving.
I snorted.
You just snorted?
No, before I did.
Marissa's a piggy.
For the worst.
She's a pretty little piggy. Imagine when she gets bigger.
I've never come to your house.
Go get it.
You're fine. But of course.
Oh, we found
I'm
it.
eating my lychee nuts in one moment, and then
My arm.
I am here in the lab.
It's my arm, not the toy.
Skipper, it's the nuts. When the lychees go bad, they release an enzyme that
What's the time say on that?
Nuts make
6:25.
Okay, make sure it doesn't go over 10.
They gave me this
'Cause then I
tasty
can't put it on
guava berry
YouTube.
milkshake.
Like, what do I push to make it stop?
Big button.
This one?
The one you press to take a picture, yeah.
tropical
Okay.
fruit must counter the nutty enzymes, of course.
But if you are cured, why are you still in the hospital?
Because this vibrating bed is awesome. Listen up, lemur. Reese ate those bad nuts. He went off the deep end.
He's turned the lemur habitat into an armed fortress.
He's enslaved the entire zoo!
Police ate my lychee nuts.
Rather than
Wake
kill
up.
the aerosol form, one big shoot of the job.
This way, I know a secretest way into my lemur kingdom. Oh, boys, desperate times call for desperate measures. What are you waiting for, Ringtail? Now, who, me? I am going to be taking the Royal Secret Passage. But if you'd rather the party, hey, far be it from me to keep a penguin from water. See you later. Wait, we didn't know.
Ow.
Where are they?
Right here. Royal nutcase.
Are you paying attention, Sarah?
What?
The game is now very much being over, Maurice. I
Ouch!
You said ouch.
What, that hurt?
Yeah. That hurt? Really?
Yeah.
am I not entitled to a brief heroic moment in my... Hey, you got the funny birds?
Bada bing.
The mouthy squirrel.
Oh, hey.
The mouthy squirrel. Since when is lemur considered a squirrel?